Hi, this is David at Stoneyard.com. Today I want to talk about our natural pre-assembled stone panels for installation for exterior or interior. These panels, there must be 20 stones on each of these panels. They're a little over a square foot per panel. This color is Greenfield gray, and we also have Cambridge blend. Okay, these are mostly Ledgestone with a few bigger ashlar pieces, not many. And you know, we have three different shapes. We have a square and rect, you know, like a corner, excuse me. This distance is about 6 inches, this is about 10 inches. And when we go, we always lay the corners first. This was a full flat piece, so these come in bundles of 2. And then we also have what we call half flats. Now I'm going to explain why we have these different configurations. So the half flat is about 4 inches tall, the full flat is about 8 inches. So we put a corner piece in, and then right after the corner's put in, we're going to put in a half flat. And then as you can see, this full flat goes right in over it. We'll put another corner piece in, another flat piece in. But as we keep going this way, we've got that half in right after the corner. Then we go with a full panel, and then we go to a half. So the half panels are only used on the bottom row every other course. So if each of these are 2 feet, another 2 feet, another 2 feet, the only time you need the half flats is on the base course. From that point on out, you're using the full flats. And I'm leaving these double stacked because I'm going to put this back on the crate that we sell, and I just don't want to take them apart. But normally you would take them apart and just put one panel. So the increments, you know, the corners get sewed each. That's why I have these separated. On the half flats and full flats, we only sell them in bundles of 2 each as the minimum amount that you can buy. Using pre-assembled stone panels saves you a lot of time. I might be able to put up 200 square feet of these panels, where the individual stones, I might be only be able to do about 25 square feet per day. So it's a big time savings. You pay a little bit more for the panels, but it's well worth it on the installation. So take a look on our website. If you need a sample, we send out samples. And again, thank you. This is David at Stoneyard.com.